here's a really fun skill that you can learn to do. Ball spinning. Looks good, looks quite cool. We've seen the Harlem Globetrotters doing things like this. It's actually not that difficult to learn. First of all, you need to get a good ball, and there's 3 different styles of ball spinning. Basketball players tend to do it this way, where they spin their thumb towards their face. Like that. It's quite difficult, I think. There's another way to do it where you can get a really fast spin, where you spin the ball with both hands, gets it going pretty fast. Both hands like this, gets it going pretty fast. And the way that circus performers do it is the way that I'm going to teach you to do it. First of all, you hold the ball with your thumb twisted away from your face. Then when you spin it, it will spin like this. Now, before I show you how to do it properly, let's have a quick think about what ball we're going to use. The ideal ball is one that you can easily hold in your hand, one-handed. Basketball is pretty big, usually even too big for an adult person. If you're a child or have smaller hands, find a slightly smaller ball. I've got a great one. This is a special juggling ball that I bought in my local juggling shop. As you can see, it is the right size for me to hold in one hand quite easily. This means when I try to spin it, it's much easier to spin. So, find yourself a good ball. If you can't find anything else, a basketball will definitely do. Here's what you do first. You get your ball and the finger that you're going to spin it on, and you just practice doing this. You throw the ball into the air and catch it on your finger. And what we're trying to do is stop the ball from bouncing off your finger. The first few times, it will probably bounce off. So what I'm actually doing is, as the ball gets close to my finger, I move my finger down slightly to deaden the bounce out of the ball, so I can throw it in the air and I just catch it. I point at it and I catch it, and I'm hoping it doesn't bounce. Practice that a little bit and see how you go, catching it without it bouncing. Now, here we go. You hold the ball in your hand like this. This is why it's important that you have a ball that you can easily hold. Your thumb is going to spin towards your face, and as your fingers move round, you spin the ball like this. It's almost like when you click your fingers. If you know how to click your fingers, it's the same movement. So now with the ball, without the ball, same movement. I spin it, and as I catch it, I deaden the fall. So it looks like this. Spinning, deadening the fall, spinning the ball. I hope you think it's a nice skill. I hope you have a little practice, and maybe you can learn to be a ball spinner.